What you say, tall man? What you say?
I'm on a real good. The girl them now wash their foot.
Go on out.
Back cracky, you know, but I want thing me have to tell the girl. You know when we say girl, you know this is like a family.
Yeah.
When I was turning it around and I see the girls them, they talk about the clean girls them. You know how to date and everything, Chris.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, keep the thing real, no, man.
Yeah, man, but wash your foot back, man. It's too crappy,
Yeah,
crappy.
but I touch the road, man, and slippers on your foot, them dirty, brother. Them things, they not work. But first thing a man, I look upon a woman, them a looking at your mouth, them a look upon your foot, them. First of all, me know I big foot girl still, you know. Man, cause when I tell me I do one big foot girl, you know, man, I remember me tell you, say, yo, I be a slippers, the woman, me I say, me want buy the woman one nice sneakers.